Hi, I'm Eric from Rocky Mountain ATV MC.com, and this is our top 5 tools for adventure riding. So part of adventure riding is being prepared for the unknown. We try to prep our bikes beforehand so they're in their best shape they can possibly be, but I can't remember a trip that I haven't pulled out the tool roll. And my tool roll has always been evolving, changing. You know, it's actually pulled us out of some pretty crazy bad situations. But for the most part, we kind of sat around and we thought, okay, this could be a really long video, and there's videos like that out there, but let's condense it. What are the 5 top tools that are the most important for adventure riding? Pretty simple. To start off with, you've got your tire tools, right? So we've got the Motion Pro Bead Pro. So they are a tire iron and a bead breaker. Pump, we normally have, you know, if we've got multiple guys, we bring multiple pumps because we've had actual pumps fail on trips. But there's a couple good ones we carry. There's the slime pump that's inexpensive and we've had great luck with. And then there's even like the cycle pump. They're more of a high-end pump. Tubes, of course, very important, and a tire repair kit. So you've got somebody with tubeless, or even it's got some patches in it. Something that has patches, can do tubeless, that kind of a kit. And then, of course, a crescent wrench, because it's not just your machine that's going to have a flat tire. It's going to be the guy that doesn't have tools. So crescent wrench has bailed us out plenty of times. Next item on the list would be an epoxy of some sort. So a quick steel or a quick aluminum is great, or any 2-part epoxy. They've pulled us out of some crazy jams. And then we have electrical items. So a variety of fuses, you know, even the old school type, different sizes of blade fuses, some tape. I've got some pieces of wire that have helped us in a pinch, and then also a tester, a 12-volt tester, just something simple like this. There's smaller ones out there, but anything like this really helps you get to the bottom of what the problem might be. And then, of course, an assortment of bolts. And there you have it. I mean, that's pretty much the 5 most important things. Almost every time we go, these tools get used. But we're curious to know, what's your top 5? What's your favorite tool? What's the tool that you wish you would have had on one of your trips? Go ahead and comment below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like content like this, and we'll catch you next time.